So we're about to go to this big mountain in Connecticut, and we are going to see if we can completely charge up the electric battery by just driving down the mountain. The electric battery is almost empty, and when we get closer to the mountain, I'm going to switch to full EV mode, which means that I'll only be working off the electric, and I'm going to do that until the electric cell is completely dead. And then we're going to see if we can completely charge it just by driving down the mountain. Okay guys, so I am trying to use up the electric battery as much as possible, but it's like really hard. So we have about like a quarter left, and we are close to the summit. There's a sign for the summit, and we have it on the GPS.
So we've decided we're going to walk up the summit. Here we go.
This is not crazy.
Yeah, we are going to be climbing that. Okay, this is the face of bravery as we go up this incredible summit. Here's the face of terror. This is trail crossing. People seriously walk up this, Nick? Wow. Can you imagine how toned you'd be?
Yeah,
you'd have a big ass butt after that.
And this weather, big ass butt. I said that yesterday.
This is the drive with the one leg up mode.
Yeah. Native American style. Half.
Did you see the sign? It says no rock climbing. But these rocks are only like this big.
No, that was down on the street when we looked straight up.
Oh my gosh, do people do that?
Yeah, they try.
Oh my gosh. I thought that they were just joking about these little rocks. I was like, who is going to do that?
Yeah, it's a mountain.
Oh my gosh. Wow. We're on top of the world, Ma. I always wanted to say that. I don't know. James Cagney once said it right before he died in a movie.
Oh, look at this.
What? Oh, wow.
I don't understand why they couldn't have just made this like a straight line. This is like the windiest, weirdest thing ever.
I guess, I don't know.
Look at this.
To disorient people?
Yeah, that's... Wow, look.
Whoa. Whoa.
So either he got yelled at too. Well, look, I can't even see the sign from here. Kinda. I kinda can't. Like,
Okay.
Yeah, I don't know.
Well, it's wide enough we could always pull over.
Pull over for what?
Like if another car is coming at us.
It's not a one-way.
Then of course we can come in here.
It's narrow.
What did he say?
Oh,
Yeah, maybe we're not
Hi.
supposed to come this way.
it's high.
Oh.
Filming. Yeah, for sure. I don't know how that guy came in.
Probably the correct way.
I love you.
Aww.
This is a way nicer view from over here. Oh, look, there's people kayaking.
Oh, yeah. United Soldiers and Sailors Monument.
We're gonna go up there.
This is 11 feet tall and 5,000 pounds.
It looks a lot taller than 11 feet.
Yeah, it does to me too. The angel looks out over the city of New Haven, raising an olive branch and holding a wreath as an enduring symbol of peace, harmony, and hope. Port Hudson and Port Bishop.
Ooh, it's nice and cool right now.
Guess that's not the one.
Alright, let's look for another way. Maybe we're just not meant to get in. Oh. Okay.
Can I take a picture of us?
Yeah. It says soldiers that have died in defense of the Union.
Yeah, I saw that.
And then you see some of them say like musician.
Someone say what?
Musician.
I know.
Come to the side, see how I live. Alright, nice little step. Hanging out in the shade.
Very nice. We're shady.
Yay, this is it. And then that mountain over there is Sleeping Giant. That's on the hand. I'm not gonna fall off. She's afraid I'm gonna fall off. I'm not gonna fall off. And here is fallen soldiers from the Union War. Guys, so we are at about a quarter of a tank of Energi, and we are going to descend down the summit and see if we can get the battery fully charged. So let's start our descent. Oh, and seatbelts, of course.
How do you charge the battery again?
Charge the battery by either not accelerating or having your foot on the brake.
Oh,
so far
wow.
we've had my foot on the brake the whole time. So foot is on the brake just slightly, just enough so that we are charging. We're actually going pretty fast for our foot being on the brake. We're still going about 25 miles per hour. Okay guys, so we actually just descended all the way down the mountain. It's about a mile. And we're still only at a little bit over a quarter. So we didn't reach our goal of charging the battery solely by just going down the mountain. I'm actually really surprised at that, but we're still only at a little bit more than a quarter. Sadly, we have failed. I'm very sad about it, but you know, things happen. So we had a fun time anyway, and maybe we'll try again next time. Okay, so I just want to point something out to you guys. Like, obviously going down the mountain, we didn't gain any more battery, but look, we're just driving in like pretty regular traffic. It's moving pretty fair, and we've already charged our battery halfway because it was at a quarter when we started. Obviously, when we left off, it was at a quarter, and now it's at 3/4 full. So just by driving, we've managed to charge it 50%. It's pretty good. Okay, you guys, so this lightning is like horrible. It's been lightning? I don't even know. There's been lightning for hours. Luckily the thunder just stopped, but there's so much light. Oh, actually, you hear that? There's a little bit of thunder still. But this lightning is non-stop, and I straightened my hair and it's getting all ruined, but it's been like, it's day 4 or 5 now that it's just been lightning like every single night. I'm trying to capture some of it, so hopefully it shows up, but this weather is crazy.